Hello and welcome back friends to this new video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can install and upgrade your PC to Windows 11, the new operating system from Microsoft. I will be showing two methods for the PCs which are supported and those which are unsupported by this new operating system. So let's get going. The first method I will be showing here is for the PCs which have the minimum system requirement to install Windows 11. Now as you can see, I have Windows 10 operating system installed on this PC. This is the latest version of Windows 10 and it is of Home Edition and it is of 64-bit. So we need to head over to these websites, and these downloads that I will be showing you is common for both the methods. So you need to head over to this website. I will give the link in the description. Scroll down and here you will find download PC Health Check app. Click on this link and let this download complete. Alternatively, you can see the minimum system requirements, whether your PC supports Windows 11 or not. These three are mainly important, that is the CPU, TPM and secure boot. If these three are present, then your PC is certainly supported. Now we click on this application, select this and click install. Checkbox this one, click finish, and the PC Health Check app will run. Click on check now, and as you can see, this PC is supported. It has all the minimum requirements that it needs to install Windows 11. So now you'll close this app and head over to this website by searching download Windows 11. This is the official Microsoft website. Then scroll down, click on this link Windows 11 and click download. Then select any one language of your choice, then click confirm and click 64-bit download. Remember that Windows 11 is available only for 64-bit PCs, so make sure you have Windows 10 64-bit installed on your machine. Now I have already downloaded this ISO file. To save your time, this is the ISO file. You need to double click it to mount on a virtual drive like here, and then click on setup, click yes and follow the prompts. Here you choose not to download the updates at the moment because it will take much more time to install, and here you can accept the terms. And here I will select to choose the files and apps that are already installed on Windows 10. If you want to make it a fresh copy of Windows, then select nothing, but I will keep the files and apps and click next. Let it run. The installation will take an hour or so depending upon your PC's hardware, and after a couple of restarts, Windows will start to configure your PC. This is the new look of Windows 11 installation. Windows 11 has a strict system requirement for CPU model, the TPM module and the secure boot. These three are the main requirements to support your PC. If you have these three, okay, then you are good to go. So this is the new Windows 11 desktop and all the programs and files are intact. Now in the second method, for a PC which has no system requirement that is required for Windows 11, as you can see here, if you try to install the setup file from the ISO file like previous method, it will not work. It will just end with an error that you do not meet the system requirements. So for that you need to download this file appraiseres.dll file. I will give the link in the description along with the ISO file. So just like the previous method, mount the ISO file, and we need to copy all these files to a new folder. So I will copy it and make a new folder here and name it Windows 11. And then paste the files here. After that we can unmount the ISO by going to this PC, right clicking on this drive and click eject. Next we need to download this zip file. You will find the link in the description, and we need to extract the DLL file from this zip file and copy it into the sources folder here. So right click on this zip file, click extract and extract. Now here is a folder, and inside it there is this file called appraiseres.dll. In the sources folder of our installation media, you will find appraiseres.dll file that houses all the system requirements needed for Windows 11. So we need to replace this file with our appraiseres.dll file that we have downloaded just now. Just copy it and paste it inside the sources folder. Click on replace, and now we can continue with the installation just like the previous method. Just double click on the setup file and follow the prompts just like before. Click not at the moment, and here you can see the notice that and licensing terms. If you do not replace that appraiseres.dll file, you will not get this window, and it will end with an error saying that your PC does not meet the system requirement. So all the options are just like before. Now you can also install Windows 11 on your unsupported PC. So sit back and enjoy the installation. Now Microsoft has said that it is unsure whether they will support with security updates for unsupported PCs, but even then we can try it out in our PCs, and if we don't like, we can go back to Windows 10, because Windows 10 will be supported for up to 2025. Here you can see that we have installed Windows 11, and it will be exactly same as the version of Windows 10, like Home or Pro. Whichever license key you have, you can put it there and activate your Windows. If you do not like this operating system, you can still go back to Windows 10 by this method that I have shown you to upgrade. You will have the option to go back to Windows 10 if you do not like Windows 11. Just go to this settings page in the system tab and click on recovery and click on here go back. But after 10 days you will lose the option to go back to Windows 10. So I hope you like this video and give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, comment on this video, subscribe my channel if you haven't yet, and turn on the bell notification for more new videos. Till then, goodbye.